In this walkthrough, I will show you how Canopy Insurance Verification fits into VettyDrive. Manual insurance proof is still available. Canopy is an optional provider integration for operators who want carrier source verification after renter consent. In Settings, choose an insurance verification mode and select Canopy Connect as the provider when the operator wants automated verification. On the renter workflow, the renter can continue to Canopy when the integration is configured. VettyDrive stores verification status and evidence, but it does not store carrier login credentials. The operator reviews the verification result before key release. The dashboard can show provider status, policy check status, sync time, and errors when a poll needs attention. Billing should also make usage clear. Canopy is modeled as a per-successful verification usage item when enabled, while manual upload remains included. That is the Canopy flow: optional provider mode, renter consent, status review, manual fallback, and transparent usage tracking.